Finally, our top robotic vacuum for pets is the Roborock S7. When you need a device that actually makes your life easier, this is the one you should buy. This unit will vacuum and mop your floor, leaving your home fresh and clean. It is made of durable plastic with metallic accents. Its glossy finished top cover opens up to an LED Wi-Fi indicator, control buttons, and the dirt compartment. It has a navigator module at the center and a bumper at the front. Under the robot are a center brush roll, 2 side brushes, and 2 rubber wheels that can lift the vacuum when it meets raised surfaces. Behind the vacuum is the water container for the mop attachments. The S7 performs incredibly well. Its laser navigation system ensures excellent maneuverability. It has 4 suction power modes: the quiet, the balanced, the turbo, and the max mode. There are also 4 mopping levels to increase the scrubbing intensity: the no water, little water, medium water, and the high water level. We like that it can detect a carpet using an ultrasonic sensor. It automatically increases its suction power and lifts them up. That makes it ideal for those with pets that shed a lot of hair. Moreover, this robot draws a map of its movement, which you can view in its companion app. This app gives you access to more features and allows you to customize the robot to work the way you want. Finally, the S7 has a fantastic battery life that offers up to 200 minutes when used in quiet mode. When the battery is low, it returns to the dock station to recharge. Overall, this is a very comprehensive device that will help households with pets stay clean. Its pros are: it has very effective vacuum and mopping functions to deal with any task. Its mapping system works well even in cluttered areas. Its battery lasts a long time, so it's suitable for large homes, and its companion app is easy to use. However, it's quite a tall unit, so it won't fit under most couches. The Roborock S7 is a reliable, effective, and low-maintenance cleaning device that is perfect for those with pets. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.